Cancer, grand awakening, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the music. Go ahead and check out the ebooks. Great products there, and I cannot wait to meet you. Your word of the day, Cancer, is serenity on your soul. You cannot be a tsunami right now. I know that you have so many emotions. Times are shifting. We're coming into a new season, but I need you to be the lazy river. I need you to go with the flow. Do not become the captain where you have to navigate the ship. Let go of the wheel. Let spirit take the wheel. Go with the flow. Serenity comes from within, and that's where your power is going to come from. And when you're in frustration and your tsunami in your waters, you can't see what's going on around you. You can't pick up on the blessings in every opportunity. So I want you to find peace and serenity and observe, because blessings are coming for you. Don't work too hard. Don't work hard. Work smart. Be smart, because you put in the work. Through love, I release inner work, and I know peace. I have a gentle view of life. I welcome every step with confidence. I remain brave in the face of fear, and I have wisdom to let the universe do its work. They're doing wonders for you. Take a chill pill, because you've done your part. So let spirit do their thing and get ready to be elevated. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.